Yeah. All
Um,
right. So let's move on to the next thing, and that is, we talked about stay within area, which is Lyft's by far more superior area preference when it comes to Uber versus Lyft on
no
area
doubt,
preference.
no doubt.
Um, Uber, what are you doing? You're getting worse and worse. I mean, like, if Lyft continues this improvement, they might be the app of
They
choice
make
for
catch up.
drivers. But if Uber, we're still trying to give you a fighting chance, but this is surely not going to help you here. Um,
Uber takedown, bro. Here comes. This
yeah.
willy nilly declining trips. Because I know from myself, the acceptance rates in the country are collapsing. I'm not laughing. I mean, it's not funny. For passengers, of course, they're waiting a lot longer. So, well, guess what?
Linda,
Uber
thank you
started.
for
Uber
the
started taking stuff back. Thank you, Linda. Uber started taking stuff back. The area preference, which originally I liked until I saw Lyft and tested Lyft. Lyft is like by far superior.
Yeah.
But let's say area preference. Oh, by the way, the Lyft's area filter doesn't have a timer on it. It doesn't expire. You could be on it for like hours. I'm like, wow,
Mhm.
amazing. So we had this thing, Uber came up with area preference, which I absolutely loved. Okay. Because today I don't want to drive more than 10 miles of my base. So I'll hit my area preference and stay there. Although their area preference setup is a lot different than Lyft's. On Lyft, you can adjust the area with that little, slider that you have from 5 miles to 30 miles. Now, I don't know who would put it at 30 miles, but let's say somebody does. However, on Uber's, LA County is split into like 6 huge pieces, okay? But only one of them, which includes downtown LA, a little bit, manageable area preference. So when I get there, if it's surging in the morning, I'll click it, and then I'll just work in that area. Well, guess what, people? You will not have area preference unless you're platinum or diamond. So if you're blue or gold, and the reason you're blue or gold, by the way, because you could have been platinum 3 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago until upfront destination and prices showed up.
Mhm.
Because right now your acceptance rate is absolutely collapsing. It's like in a tailspin.
That should be like their number one thing to say. Why is acceptance rates from people who are accepting everything now going down? I wonder. It doesn't. I mean,
No, but
DK said it when he talked to Harry. If
yeah,
we're not pricing rides correctly, we want. Look, I'm right there. I agree 100% with DK on that.
yeah,
I want my acceptance rate to be 100% also. I
yes,
want it to be there.
yes.
Stop giving me crappy rides that aren't paying anything.
Do you know? Do you
Otherwise,
know?
I'm going to deny it.
Do you know what the Seattle average acceptance rate is? Seattle city acceptance rates. I have those numbers.
I am going to say it's probably about 90 to 94%, somewhere in that range.
You hit the nail on the head. It's 92%.
I'm good. And you didn't tell me that until just now.
No, I did not. No. Because you know what? You put one and one together. $1.50 a mile, 65 cents a minute. Why would I decline trips? Right?
Exactly.
Okay. So now I have checked. I have did all my channel checks because I'm prepping this report for this hedge fund. I'm telling you, acceptance rate are. You know how that airplane like is doing the spiral and crashing into Earth. Every diamond, every platinum driver has collapsed into gold and blue because these trash trips that they're sending on Uber X, it's just not worth it, right? So now Uber goes, oh, wait a minute. Now that we have everybody out of diamond and platinum, well, we're going to tell them area preference. That's something drivers they really loved, really, really liked. Well, it's only to platinum and diamond drivers. No more. If you're blue or gold, it says if. By the way, this came out like a week ago in my app, and it says if you're blue or gold status by the end of the current Uber Pro qualifying period. Do you know where the current Uber Pro qualifying period ends, Chris?
October 31st.
Exactly. So you people have about a week to go through Hell Week and accept every garbage ping so you can get yourself up there.
Nope. I don't need area preference. Because I can see where the pickup and drop off is.
Yeah,
so
exactly.
if I don't want to go to that location,
No,
I
but
don't
this
have
is good. This is good. You know why it's good? Because seriously, I know you can do that cherry pick all you want, whatever. But you know, we did this last week. They're logging you out, bro.
Oh, I know, right?
Yeah. So I got that shit going on. So anyway, look, guess what? Next week we're going to talk about this. So I'm going to save the surprise. I am one of those two. Not blue or gold. First time in my life ever. I am one of those two. Top two.
What?
I'm Formica, baby. You know, when you need to, sometimes you need to Formica. Okay.
Oh,
So there was one question I got to go. Sergio, if you're on Uber, who would you rather give a ride to, someone who accepts 90% of rides or someone who accepts 30% of rides? Norma, I think you're in Florida. I've been driving in LA for the last 7 years. I have never, ever been above blue, and I make at least 50 to 80% the average driver does. So I do not buy that Kool-Aid, do not drink that Kool-Aid. Uber algos do not send you better trips because you're at 90%. They never did. It's all about supply and demand and positioning yourself. If they are sending a food delivery trip to a low acceptance rated driver, it's because they're needed. And I guarantee you, in rideshare, you cannot. The demand is so high, Norma, that you cannot just only send your best trips to 90 percentile Formica, no A word. Okay, there you go, Norma. So yeah, but guess what? I am one of those top two, Chris.
Wow. Congratulations.
Wow. How?
Well, we could get into that in a second, but the one thing that I want to take note at this, it says area preference as an Uber Pro reward. Hi, Sergio. My favorite thing is this next thing. Good news. It's going to become a reward, even though we gave it to you beforehand, not having a reward.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.